Everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to access the settings of your Magic Keyboard on the iPad. So the first thing you're going to do, I have this Magic Keyboard here, let me just take the tablet out so it's easier to see. The first thing we're going to do is just open up settings, and then we're going to click on General, and then just scroll down until you find Keyboard. Click on Keyboard and then click on Physical Keyboard. So I'm going to just put my iPad on the keyboard, and as you can see, the setting called Hardware Keyboard popped up. So if you click on that, here you have all of the settings that come with the Magic Keyboard. Like you can change the language, you can change some settings like press a language icon for emoji and all of that. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.